Good morning friends, welcome back to our channel Sharma Tech. So, today's topic is best PC build in India under 80k in August 2021. So, here the first component. The Ryzen 5 3600 is an excellent 65W chip for small form factor enthusiasts, packing quite the punch in a small thermal envelope. After simple one-click overclocking, it offers nearly the same performance as its more expensive counterpart, but at a $50 discount. That makes the Ryzen 5 3600 the uncontested value champ in its price range. Just know that this CPU does not include AMD's latest Zen 3 architecture. So if you want the best single-core performance and other features that come with AMD's newest CPUs, you should probably spend more for a Ryzen 5 5600X when it arrives in late 2020. Those new chips have now taken over the top ranks on our CPU benchmark hierarchy. While the Ryzen 5 3600 is a great processor that packs a wonderful amount of performance into a 65W TDP envelope, a boon for small form factor enthusiasts, you can also overclock it and attain similar performance in many applications, like gaming, to the Ryzen 5 3600X, one of our best CPUs. But you save $50 in the process while still getting class-leading features. This follows the same AMD trend we've seen in the past, with overclockability. Here is the number 2 component. The A520 motherboard chipset represents the budget end of the market, perfectly placed to build cheap AMD Ryzen 5000 gaming PCs around. Following on from the Gigabyte A520 Aorus Elite and ASRock A520 MITX AC, we've already enjoyed, we have the Asus TUF Gaming A520M+. From its saber-tooth motherboard origins, the TUF sub-brand has expanded into other product lines, and not just from Asus. Here is the third component. The GTX 1650 isn't a bad GPU by any means. It can hit 60 FPS at 1080p medium to high quality in most games, and it's affordable. Just make sure you understand what you're getting, because if you're looking at building a budget gaming PC, you'll almost always be better served by spending a bit more money. Here is the fourth component. The Corsair Vengeance LPX 2x8GB is the best high-end DDR4 kit we found on the market. This high-end kit is designed around performance rather than aesthetics, and is certainly the best when it comes to high-end speed and performance. Corsair's Vengeance RAM is trusted by countless PC owners for a good reason. It's incredibly reliable. Not only is it reasonably quick, but also budget-friendly. This isn't necessarily a bad thing. The lack of RGB LEDs means there's more room in the budget to make the memory faster, and the smaller design means it will be easier to install chunky cooling hardware without the memory getting in the way. This kind of design certainly goes against the current trend for big sticks of memory with plenty of lighting, but I'm happy to forego RGB LEDs. Corsair's kit is designed around performance rather than aesthetic features, so it's no surprise to see it running at 3200 MHz, one of the highest speeds in this group. Elsewhere, latency comes in at 1618-1836, and the kit is available in white, blue or red variations to match your machine. This 16GB Corsair kit costs £173, which brings it in at £10.81 per gigabyte. It's time for the number 5 component. Adata's XPG branded GAMX S11 Pro NVMe M2 SSD offers a great mix of aesthetics and performance. At a price of 3,100 rupees, the 256GB model we're looking at today comes at a competitive price, considering its ability to deliver speeds of up to 3.5-3.0 GB per second read-write, which is massive. Equipped with 3D NAND flash along with SLC caching, a DRAM cache buffer, end-to-end data protection, and LDPC8 technology, it maintains high speeds and data integrity even during intense gaming, rendering, overclocking, and other high-demand applications. Here is the sixth component. The WD 1TB SATA drive is a decent data storage solution and will serve you well. It comes with a 2-year warranty and is PC and Mac compliant, although there might be some formatting needed when it comes to a Mac. It's better off formatting this internal drive with a PC. However, it should work in a variety of average situations. This is a safe purchase, where you pretty much know what you're getting in terms of speed, reliability and storage space. Here is the 7th component. The new Cooler Master MWE 550 Bronze series is quickly earning a great reputation. Efficiency at low loads is near platinum levels, and it only loses about 2% when pushed to its limits. Outstanding efficiency for a gold-certified power supply. Here is the last component. MSI MagForge 100R is spacious enough to install a CPU cooler up to 160 mm tall and graphics cards up to 330 mm long. There are provisions for installing up to a total of 5 2.5-inch SSDs inside the case and 2 3.5-inch HDDs beneath the integrated power supply shroud. Stylish 4mm tempered glass panel. The MagForge 100R offers a plethora of ways to install fans and radiators so you can optimize your cooling. It comes with two 120mm RGB front fans and one 120mm rear fan pre-installed to kick-start your cooling. If this video is helpful to you, then don't forget to like and subscribe our channel Sharma Tech and follow us on Instagram for latest tech updates.